All right, we did a part 1 here. So those are those problems up there. We're going to keep on going with these products and quotient laws for exponents. So we are looking to keep these all in positive form. So we are going to just multiply these two numbers. The 4 times the 2, we get 8. K's are the same bases, so we're just going to take the exponents. We're going to put 1 right there. There is a 1 when there's not an exponent. It's always 1. I'm putting that for a reason. We add exponents when we're doing this product law. So we're going to add 4 plus 1. 8's going to stay 8. Well, now our k is going to be k to the 5th power. And then we're going to take a look at this next one. We got lots going on here. We're going to multiply the numbers normal. 2 times 2, that's 4. And then we're going to take a look at the x's. We've got the same base here in the x's. So we'll add the exponents there. So 3 plus 1, negative 1, or just 3 minus 1. And then we're going to do the y's next. And we're going to do the negative 3. And then we have plus this 3. So that's what we've got here. Now we're going to finalize that, simplify it, and clean it all up. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's going to be 4x to the 2nd power. And then these are going to actually cancel each other out, leaving me with 0. And anything to the 0 power is 1. So we just would not have a y there. So we're left with just this. Going down here, we're going to do 2 times the 3, which is 6. We can't do anything with the x. We can't do anything with the y because they are kind of all alone the way that they are. We're just going to put the x before the y and leave it just like that. Now we're going to take a look at this next one. And we have 4, and there's no number here, so we're going to call that a 1. 4 times 1 is just going to be 4. Then we're going to do the v's. The v, we have a 3 here. There is no number here, so there is a 1 essentially there. So we got 3 plus 1, and then we have no u over here, so the u is just going to be to the 2nd power. Clean it up. For v, 3 plus 1 is 4, so v to the 4th. I should have put the u first, but that's okay. And then u doesn't have anything else going on with it. Really should, being picky, should be, since u comes before v, it should really be 4 u to the 2nd, v to the 4th, but that's okay. We'll leave it like that since I wrote it in pen like I'm not supposed to. And again, let's do one more. And we'll do these ones. So 4 times 3 is 12. A to the 3rd power. This one's minus 4. So we're going to do the b's. B to the 2nd. And then over here is a minus 3. Clean it up. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. And then for the b's, 2 minus 3 is also a negative 1. And since this is not in a fraction, we're going to make it a fraction because we need to get rid of those negative exponents. 12 is fine where it is, so it can stay up here in the numerator. But then both the a and the b are negative exponents, so we would do the reciprocal of those. We're going to drop them down here to the denominator, leaving them positive with the exponents that they have. And I'm going to put the 1 there. I'm going to put the b with the 1 here as well. You do not need to put the 1s. They are fine, just a times b. But this would be your finalized answer in positive form. Might as well just do this last one on this page and get it over with. X's, we're going to combine, add those together, 2 plus 3. And the y's, negative 4 plus 2. Combine what we can. We're going to get 2 plus 3 is 5, so x to the 5th. And then my y, negative 4 plus 2, which is going to give me negative 2. And then that y is going to need to drop it down. And I'm going to put this over 1. So the x is fine up in the numerator because that's positive, so you don't want to change that. But then the y is going to get dropped down to the bottom in the denominator and change that exponent to a positive. If you want more questions like these and more, you can find them on my TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram at YouWantAlgebra. All of these are located in the exponents section of my playlist. Don't forget to share, like, follow for more.